viewers, this is the day 113 of my journey to improve my communication skills. Today again, I am here to share my daily routine, what did I learn today, where I suffered today, and what things which I will focus more on from today onwards. So coming to my data structure and algorithm what did I study today? So as usual, I work on my uh, linked list topics like insertion and deletion. In insertion, there are four main things like insert at a head, insert at a tail, insert at the kth position, insert as value. Similarly for the deletion, insert at a head, deletion at the head, deletion at the tail position, deletion at kth position, and a deletion of the any element. So this is the basic scenario which I learned regarding linked list. And after learning all this concept, I asked the ChatGPT where the data structure linked list is used in the real world. So it gave a wonderful example like to just for understanding or visual understand how we can use the linked list in real world applications. So first I wrote the program on the train coaches. So each train coach is connected to each other. So similarly, I learned through this question like how to insert the train coach to delete the train coach and delete from the hand delete from the tail. So this is the basic scenario which I learned from the train coaches problem. And coming to my daily lead coach trick problem. So today's problem is a medium based problem. The problem was basically given a string. We have to find the lexicographical smallest palindrome string to return uh, to the function. So this is the basic scenario. So how did I apply the approach? Basically, first of all, I understood the problem, but I don't know how to apply the logic. So for that logic, I go to the chat GPT and and take the logic from the chat GPT. So what was the logic? First of all, we have to calculate the left string. After calculating the left string, we have to find the middle. So middle is on the basis of any number who comes at once only or comes in odd manner. That number will come in the middle, and the numbers who comes in the even numbers, first half of the even numbers will come to the left and another will be the right. So first we will calculate the left and then middle. After reversing the uh, left, we can append it with the middle, left, middle, and right. So this is the basic approach to solve this problem, and it's medium-based problem that anybody can solve if he knows the logic, how to apply the logic, how to convert it from the characters to the numbers and the numbers to the characters like sky values. So the problem is very easy. So this is all about which I studied regarding the data structure and algorithm. So coming to my communication skills. So today again I read the book How to Influence People, How to Win People, and wonderful story mentioned by the author is like अगर तुम किसी मतलब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आप कोई फिश को पकड़ने जा रहे हो, तुम्हें लाइक स्ट्रॉबेरीज पसंद है, कुछ भी एनीथिंग यू कैन लाइक, बट it doesn't mean the fish will also like the same things. To capture the fish or to get the fish, you have to throw uh, some wheat or something which fish likes. Similarly, if you want to influence the people, you should not use what you like. What the people like, you should behave accordingly. So this is a wonderful story, or we can say that moral lessons which Arthur mentioned in the book, and a lot of literary stories that some of the successful persons they know how to deal with the people. If you behave accordingly what the people want, they will appreciate you, they will influence from you, and you will definitely succeed in your life. So this is things which I learned today, and along with that, a lot of new words whose meaning I don't know. I put in a chat GPT, gets the meaning of those words, and I will try to recognize one word at least one word in a day, so that the vocabulary level will increase. Because it's not possible to remember a word, whole word around. I am not able to recall like around if we can calculate. I am studying regularly five new words. That from past 3 months, uh, 90 days. So 9 into 5, 450 new words. It's difficult to remember for anybody. So it's easy to at least learn one new word and use into day-to-day life. So yeah, yesterday word was flatter. Flatter basically means uh, to praise somebody but in sincere manner, to get some output or get benefit from people, then we can use that flatter words. So do not, so the sentence on it, do not come into this flattering word. So this is a sentence which that the word which I learned the day before the yesterday is repercussion. Repercussion basically means is negative impact. So that you are getting a negative output, that is basically known as repercussion. So the today words is frantic, master, heedlessly, accrue, notice, tumbled. So I will remember the word tumbled. Tumbled means fell suddenly. If someone is fell suddenly, then we can use the word tumble. That's all about day 130th of 13 of my journey to improve my communication skills. And one more thing is, I realized that I am just making the video, just doing the formality, nothing improvement, nothing, not even 1% is improving. And the main thing is I am not recognizing my mistakes. I am just trying to, I just want to grow again, again, again. I don't want to see back. And that is the biggest mistake I think that I'm doing. Because if you are not working on your weaknesses, like if I'm doing something wrong every day, every day, every day, I will become perfect in those things, in wrong things. I never become perfect. So if you really want to become perfect, you have to recognize your mistakes, work on that, and make your weaknesses to a strength. That's all about day 113th of my journey to improve my communication skills. See you tomorrow with same energy, with same enthusiasm. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you if you comment down, so that will motivate me a little bit to come out. Anyhow, I have to put the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.